Hello, good morning traders. It's Thursday, 23rd of November 2017 in the United States of America. They have Thanksgiving, so maybe it will be not such active days today and tomorrow, but anyway, in Europe, the markets are open, so let's have a nice start. Every day, a webinar, 5 days a week, 5 different traders. Today it's Thursday, so in a couple of seconds, Nenad, day trader of today, will speak about the markets. Welcome to Real-Time Daily Trading Ideas. We will speak about trading ideas, strategies, market screening, and maybe one or two questions from your side directly answered in our webinar. Our goal is 15 to 20 minutes, so let's have a quick start like any day. And like any day, we will start, of course, with a risk disclaimer. Forex and CFDs are leveraged products and can result in losses that exceed your deposits. If you start Forex and CFD trading, please start with a demo account and make yourself familiar with trading, your personal risk management, and all the risk what is involved. If you'd like to see the full risk disclaimer, just visit one of our web pages like admiralmarketsglobal.com or also admiralmarkets.com, and you will find it there displayed. This is me. My name is Jens. Maybe you hear it. I have a German accent. My English is made in Germany, but hopefully some of my quality too. But like I say, every day I'm not the main speaker. The main speaker is the day trader of today. Today it's Nenad. This is our scheme. On Monday it's Jay's day. On Tuesday it's Paul's day. On Wednesday it's Mike's day. On Thursday it's Nenad's day. And on Friday it's Dick's day. Today's actions are tomorrow results. See our leading day traders live in our webinar here. And if you trade Forex and CFDs, of course, you will get a lot of benefits only at Admiral Markets. For example, we don't offer the naked, the basic MT4, MT5. We are offering the boosted, the tuned MT4 and MT5. So we will get with MT4 and MT5 Supreme over 60 additional free add-ons, free tuning features, like, for example, our order ladder or our mini terminal or many other stuff what will really boost your trading experience. Maybe you see something of them in our webinar a couple of seconds later here. If you want to check it out or try it out, it's available also in demo accounts. So just apply for a demo or a real account at admiralmarkets.com if you like to check that out. On our webpage, you also see something of our regulatory background. Admiral Markets UK Ltd is authorized and regulated by the British FCA, Financial Conduct Authority. And if you'd like to speak with us, just call us or send us an email. And a couple of hours later, this webinar will be recorded as a video at our YouTube channel. Also, this address is displayed on your screen right now. Enough from my side. And now it's time for Nenad. And of course, again, before Nenad can speak, visit our webpage. We have now also a great promotion. Christmas comes early this year with Admiral Markets. So if you are a trader or if you like to start trading with us, you can get free spread trading for a couple of days. Check it out. We call it as a promotion. Christmas comes early this year. Free spread trading, so intraday without any commission or any spread trading is really great. That's the last thing what I want to tell you right now. And now it's time for Nenad. Hi, good morning, Nenad. It's your turn now.
Hi Jens, excellent introduction as always, and you're quite right. Yes, we have today a little bit slow market probably, and I hope that this slow market will not actually keep you from trading some of the setups that might happen. I already see some questions, so yeah, I will reply. But what I'm basically focused, guys, you know that when you're trading, especially Forex market can be a bit volatile. During normal trading conditions, we usually have excellent setups, and I personally really trade well almost each day. One day for trading that I don't like is maybe Friday, because Friday, you know, there is a lot of profit taking and a lot of different things can happen, and I'm basically follow the trend. So it's an ideal day. But of course, other days are excellent, especially even when we have a holiday. You need to know that some pairs can be better than others, and those pairs are, as you know, yen pairs, okay? Because yen is correlated, very correlated to equities, and all equities like DAX, especially Nikkei, one of my favorite indices for equity, Hang Seng index, they're very correlated. And of course, you can trade yen pairs. So today, my trading idea is, as always, I always have trading ideas. Even if there is a holiday, still I will try to trade it if the market gives me the opportunity to trade it. And that opportunity is called pound yen. My favorite forex pair, pound yen. Let's do a quick top-down approach. Okay, from daily, because we are trading on intraday basis, and these webinars I really like a lot, because this is what I also enjoy, and I enjoy giving you best setups during the day. This is daily, guys. You see daily. Watch this grind towards the monthly L4. Watch this dynamic price zone. So price now is trying to break down and get to monthly L5 or quarterly L3. These are very strong levels. These lines here are ATR projections, and this dot is today's projection. So today's projected low is 147.34. But we also have lower supports. I expect pound yen to be sold on rallies. So if daily is going down, let's see if we have any retracement. Yeah, you see, still the momentum has been lost. This thinning histogram tells me that momentum is being lost. So we might have retracement. So let's use 1 hour time frame. Usually 1 hour is a great compromise between scalping, scalp swings, and intraday positioning. And I expect some reaction here. So you see here, we already have this arrow that signifies reversal candle and some algorithms that tells me that this could be the chance to trade. Already happened. But why not a retest? So let's see if the price, because of this big pin bar, gets here in the zone. You need to watch for possible reversal candle stops and or entries that could also mean that price will reverse. In the case, because of the holiday, you know, liquidity can be a little bit different during the holiday, and you might see some moves that usually don't happen when it's normal trading day. Then pay attention to this level. So I will mark it here. This one is order block. It's also very strong weekly H3. Usually weekly L3 and weekly H3 are tested during the week. So we already have one test, but why not to have other tests? Let's see if the price will listen. If not, well, then we might see, as I say, another entry in this zone here. Here, I will mark it, and try to maybe trade it a short setup from there. Either way, whatever happens, I expect price to go further down. It needs to close below 147.66. It needs to have a strong close like this, guys. Marubozu candles. These are momentum candles. So if we see momentum candle, 1 hour momentum candle close below this daily L4, or 4 hour close below daily L4, I expect price to continue further down towards 147.35 and 147.23. So this is important, guys. Okay, this is called Admiral Markets drawing tool, and now I'm trying to draw something here for you. So you need to see momentum candle. You see something like this, okay, breaking down below this daily L4. These are all momentum candles. This is momentum candle. This is momentum candle. This is momentum candle. You see something like this. This would be ideal if you see a close below, because then we are going more to the downside, because now we are at support. We are at support. I really cannot tell you that you should go short, because my principle is selling higher or buying lower, because this is clear downtrend. We want to sell higher. Okay, you want to sell at a better price. That is very important for you to understand. Always try to sell higher and buy lower, depending on trend. Now, because we are actually here, I expect either a breakdown here or a retracement. So now we are in no man's land.
Let's answer one good question from a participant right now. What's the difference between the L level and pivots? Where to find L level indicator?
Yes, good question. Andrew, this is Camarilla indicator, and you are free to send me an email, and I will send you the indicator. It's not L level indicator. It's basically Camarilla, and what you're seeing here is my own Camarilla indicator, and yes, just send me an email and I can send you. There is a version for all of you guys who are trading with Admiral Markets. You can get it for free. So just send an email and I will send you the indicator. The difference is that all these levels like L3, L4, L5, and L1 are supports. Pivot point is, see here, this is daily cam, it's pivot point. And daily H1, daily H3, daily H4, and daily H5 are resistance. So in order to find more about these levels, I advise you to go to my trading blog. There is called Camarilla Trading Blog on Admiral Markets website. And there is what I explained, a lot of things about these levels. So you will find it interesting. Okay, so just go to Admiral Markets website, and under blog section you will find Camarilla levels explained. I know that a lot of you are asking about this, so I did a blog and everything is explained there. This is my address, so you can freely ask, guys, whatever you need, whatever support I can help you, I will be glad to do it. A question: I would be happy if you could say something about dollar Swissy. Yes, of course. Dollar Swissy is, as you know, guys, completely negatively correlated with euro dollar. For that, guys, you can use this great tool that is one of my favorite tools, definitely. It's called correlation matrix. So here, if you see euro dollar and dollar Swissy minus 81, I usually use 1 hour 200 bars correlation for intraday charts. So guys, you see here, big negative correlation. This means that these pairs are moving in an opposite way. Okay, so if euro dollar is going up, dollar Swiss is going down. So the answer to your question is, I would be looking to sell on rallies. Okay, so let's do a quick top-down approach. But we already had, you see, some movement. Well, even I sometimes miss these setups because I have many other things to do, so I cannot catch every one of them. Daily, big downtrend. This is momentum candle, Marubozu momentum candle. Watch this, guys. Big Marubozu. Wow, this is further selling, I'm sure. 4-hour time frame. Let's see, 4-hour time frame. Oh, what a big drop. Okay, we really need to find a retracement on 1 hour. This is order block, weekly L3. I would go for a weekly retest here. Yeah, this could be it. Let's see what 1 hour tells me here. Wow, type 2 entry. Okay, this is it. I would wait, and this could be, I will make, guys, okay, let's see. I will open mini terminal now. Okay, mini terminal. Okay, this is it. I'm going to make, okay, sell trade here, guys. You see how easy it's done with sell terminal. I will do this. Great that you reminded me on dollar Swissy. This is where I would sell. For me, this is, well, this is clear. If the price gets here, it needs to have a retracement. I cannot short it now. So I would, this is my sell spot. Daily H3 confluence with order block. This is dynamic zone. Whew, what else I need? Really low risk, and I'm safe to go. Stop loss should be placed above daily H4. So my stop loss is here. Okay, and you can always move. You see this and this. This is very good, but definitely for me, this is where I would sell it. Now, because this is the zone, I might place one more trade here because I'm doing with my risk as it allows me. Okay, target price, guys, will be determined. Okay, at this spot, I just want to sell it. Okay, for me, this is very clear. Okay, another sell limit. Stop loss should go here. Okay, somewhere around 28.80. And our targets, you need to watch, guys. This is intraday trading. Watch this. ATR 14 is 60 pips. So you cannot hope for much more than that. And it's very hard to get all 60 pips, right? It's not like dollar Swiss is pound yen. It cannot give you much more. So I would go for this target here. Okay, this could be the target, but please do not place targets manually. It's always better to watch what price will do. 97.91 and 97.68. If this price breaks here, then you can go for this level. Move your stop loss here, and you will be riding a safe ride. So this is what I'm going to do. Sell it there, 2 positions, pending orders, stop loss there. I will move my stop loss once I'm in profit. So this is it. So you just move your stop loss here, and you will be then riding a safe ride. If dollar Swissy goes down from this spot and breaks this level, just move your stop loss and aim for this projection here. Oh, a lot of questions. How did you find correlation matrix? How did I find? Very easily, guys. It's Admiral Markets tool. Admiral Markets tool that I'm very proud of, and I really I tested this tool a lot of times during the development. It's a great tool. So you just need to download it. Admiral Markets MT4 Supreme.
So the first minutes we didn't have any problem with audio quality, but now you are away. I'm sorry to say so, Nenad. Hopefully you can hear me, but we can't hear you anymore. But because we had some issues the last week again, we already spoke about that, and if it happens, Nenad promised to log out and log in, and usually then it's solved. So let's just wait a couple of seconds and keep fingers crossed. So, but we can't hear you anymore, Nenad. So maybe, like we said, log out and log in again. He just wrote me, he is here, but we can't hear you.
So here I am again. Sorry for this small problem with GoToWebinar. I'm here again. So yeah, let's move on to further questions. Yeah, I can see still questions, so I can reply. So correlation matrix is there. Jens already replied. Okay, and the question was also, do I see any setup also? I think it was a dollar yen. So yes, I will show you again what I think about dollar yen here, guys. You might join my trade setup, or you might miss it, whatever. I'm long here, guys. You see, I'm long because this looks like 1, 2, 3 pattern for me. Okay, this looks like 1, 2, 3 pattern, and that is why what I'm counting at. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Now this could go up. When it goes up, I will be also looking to sell dollar yen. Now I'm monitoring the price. Okay, so my stop loss here is around 111.00. My entry is 26, so my stop loss is 26 pips. Easy. Okay, placed stop loss. This is counter trend trade. Okay, so if you're not feeling comfortable, don't do it. I did it because, you know, I can allow it. I mean, I trade professionally, so no problem. It's counter trend trade again. So please be careful. It's not like for everyone, okay? And as I say, this is what I see. 1, 2, 3. As always, this is one of my, well, this is one of first patterns that I have studied. So it's very basic pattern. It's actually a big drop. So I think at least this needs some retracement. It cannot fall forever. It needs retracement. So if it gets there, I will be also looking to sell dollar yen. So those are my trading ideas. Let's see if we still have some questions. Thank you guys for your comments. Anand is asking, can you summarize the trade ideas? Okay, I have an entry here, very clear, 111.26. My stop loss is, I'm monitoring the price 111.00. Not for everyone, counter trend trade setup. I will be looking to sell close to 111.55, 58, 60 if it gets there. I already made a dollar Swissy. This is my pending order. Okay, my pending orders are there. Okay, 28.45, 28.51, two pending orders. Okay, my stop loss is 28.80, and targets will be, if it rejects from there, targets will be daily L3 97.91, and here, of course, 97.68, 63. This is the zone where we can take profits. Okay, and pound yen, finally, it's going down as I thought, but I thought it could. I would like that it gets there. Yes, then I would sell it. Now, even though if it's going down, I cannot sell it. It's too low for me, so I would wait for a retracement again around 148, 27, 37, and then I would sell it. Albert is asking why two pending orders on the dollar Swissy. Easy. If I have some time, I will explain. Okay, why? Because this is the zone. Maybe the price will get there and reject. Then I would miss this trade. But if it gets here and here, then you see, this is called scaling in. I already explained scaling in on some of my webinars. When you scale in, your profits exponentially grow. It's simple math. That is why I don't know if the price, if it hits this level, will actually go here. So I'm dividing my orders into different positions. And it's for me easy to manage these positions by moving them in profit. And also, I'm assuring that my profits will exponentially grow, and my losses will be exponentially lower. It's called scaling in, guys. You really need to understand the principle of a scaling in. I'm trying to explain every time. You already have a webinar. I can do another webinar. It's not a problem. But scaling in is something that big banks do, big traders, big hedge fund traders. Okay, and I know that it's good because I'm doing it too. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I see really a lot of questions. Whew. Yes, it's not pyramidizing or pyramiding. It's different, because if your stop loss is there, you're not moving your stop loss. You're just dividing your positions. You're dividing the overall risk. Don't forget, I think Dirk is always saying, you trade the risk. That is very important. Before you make a trade, you need to calculate your risk, and then you can divide positions. That's important. Very important. And final question, and then Jens, I think that we can actually, we are already over the time. GBP New Zealand. Do I see something about long trades? Well, GBP New Zealand could be maybe a long trade, counter trend trade, but only if it drops here, because you see the range 169. This is 2-3 times better than euro dollar. So I mean better, it's higher. So if it drops here, look for reversal candles. Yeah, so that's it. Okay. Great. So guys, really, I would like that we can do this for long, but this is quick trading ideas. I'm giving you what I see, best possible setups in our moment, trading orders. So let's see what will happen.
Yeah, quick and smart
guys
for that every day. So tomorrow is another day. If you're also celebrating Thanksgiving, all the best for that. If not, and if you're interested in the trading markets for tomorrow, just join us tomorrow to the same time. Tomorrow it's Friday, so it's Dirk's day. Just join him, and if your time don't allow to join us every day, real time, couple of hours later on our YouTube channel, just check it out. Thanks, greetings from Berlin, and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.